Hi guys, I'm here at Ross on 17th Street in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I'm here to check out to see if they have that 49-cent sale or if they have any reduction on their prices. If you guys watch in this lane right here with the lady with the gray sweater, all what they're doing right now is they're discounting. All the items in this lane are being discounted, so we're gonna wait and then we'll go through and see what was discounted.
Let's go.
This is a nice cute one. This is $6.99. This is cute. I'm gonna hold on to that. Even their swimwear is discounted, $8 and $12.99. $3.99. Look at this cute crochet pant. So it's for the beach and it's a $4.99. It's been reduced to $6.99 and then further reduced to $4.99. Look at all of these pants here. $3.50, $4, $3. So if you guys think Christmas time is the best time to shop, you're wrong. After Christmas is the best time to shop, because that's when you're going to get all of the deals and all of the nice items that will go on sale. How much is this? $5. Guys, when I tell you it's the best time to come and shop for clothing, because everything is discounted. This 501 Levi's is $6. Another Levi's here for $5. This is a classic mid-rise skinny. I know it's a little bit tedious to go through the racks, but it's really worth it. All you have to do is push all to one side like that, and then you start sliding them over like this to see what you want. $3. Not bad at all. Even the maternity section is on sale, $3.99. They have some jeans for $2.49. Look, $1.99, $1.99 for this pant. These are huge, but you know, you get the drift, right? The prices are really affordable. So look, like pants, these track pants or sweatpants, $4. Shorts, denim shorts is $6.49. So once you see this pink sticker, you'll know that it has been reduced. Even though some of the items are not on sale, they're really reasonable, like these ramekins. So that's it for this store. They're still discounting a lot of things, so we'll come back again another day, but I'm gonna hit another Ross right after this and I'll share that with you also. They have a lot of children's item reduced. This 17-piece makeup set with brushes and all of your tools is for $9. That's not bad. That's a good price. $5.49. Cable knit sweaters. Sorry. This set regularly, the original price was $35. It's discounted to $23.99. This is $8. This is a 2-piece jewelry tray. This is really nice. And it is only $9. I'm sure it's gonna be discounted.